An alert tonight for Dominion Energy customers. The utility says scammers are going door to door in Portsmouth and Chesapeake.
So they are pretending to work for Dominion and then tricking people out of their personal information. Angelique Arontalk is in the studio with more on this issue.
The company rep I spoke with calls this tactic sophisticated and invasive. While scams by call or text are still going around, some people are now putting up a friendly face and tricking customers at their front door.
We don't go door to door. In fact, we do not accept in-person payments.
Dominion Energy spokesperson Sharice Newsom says an uptick of customers in Portsmouth and Chesapeake are reporting about door-to-door scams. Some fell victim.
They are telling customers that their service will be disconnected if they don't make a payment. They're asking for personal information such as Social Security numbers and Medicare and Medicaid information, saying that if they turn it over to them, then they'll be able to receive credits or discounts on their bills.
The scammers are also asking for credit card information or gift cards.
A lot of times they will be demanding immediate payment, and that's how you can tell it's a scam because of the urgency.
And here's another way you can tell the person at your door isn't the real deal.
What they typically don't have is the Dominion Energy branding. So make sure that you check and you ask for identification.
You would never think someone would scam for Dominion. That's crazy.
This man who goes by Zoe says he's keeping an eye out in his Portsmouth neighborhood.
If you know that you didn't request that service or call those people and someone comes to your door, before I even get them my information or any money, I'm gonna make sure I'll call the company. I'll try to read the person. I'll just be weary of giving any of my information or my money out. I'm not doing that.
Sound advice from Zoe. Calling the company directly is exactly what the Dominion spokesperson suggests. So if you feel like you've run into this situation recently, report it to local police and Dominion Energy. Back to you.
All right, Angelique, thanks. And Dominion's website also now includes a reporting form to the Federal Trade Commission.